Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channels. Now let us continue with the chapters of clock. In last sessions we have just discussed about this formula, but how this formula comes we have not discussed in last session. So let us continue from that. Now first minute hand. And this formula is used to find the times when angle between minute and hour hand is given. Okay, first minute hand. In one round by minute hand, max 60 minute, one round of clock. So in one round total 360 degree. So in 1 minute angle made by minute hand equal to 360 by 60 equal to 6 degree. Okay, now by hour hand, one round 12 hour by hour hand, and in one round total 360 degree. So for 1 hour angle made by hour hand is equal to 360 degree by 12 is equal to 30 degree. So in 1 minute angle made by hour hand equal to 360 by 12 overall divided by 60 is equal to 1 by 2 degree. Okay, so in 1 minute angle made by minute hand is equal to 6 degree, and in 1 minute angle made by hour hand is equal to 1 by 2 degree. So for 1 minute to occur, relative angle traveled या goes by minute hand with respect to hour hand is equal to 6 degree minus 1 by 2 degree is equal to 11 by 2 degree. Okay, now for relative gain of 11 by 2 degree, minute hand goes for 1 minute, that is 6 degree. So for relative gain of 1 degree, minute hand goes for 6 degree divided by 11 by 2 degree equal to 12 by 11 degree. It means if minute hand wants to take relative gain of 1 degree with respect to hour hand, minute hand has to go for 12 by 11 degree. Okay, now let us make a clock for better understanding. Let us time would be something between, and this is d degree, angle between hour hand and minute hand. Okay, now how this formula comes, let I am going to taught you about this. Since 30 degree 30 degree 30 degree 30 degree total makes 360 degree, so let us assume this is the hour end is between x and x plus 1 hour. So what is this angle? In one gap the angle subtend is 30 degree, 30 each. So if time is between x and x plus 1 hour end, so the angle subtend is 30x, 30 into x. If it is 2, then 30 into 2, 60 degree plus d degree. Okay, into 12 by 11 degree. Okay, because for relative gain of 1 degree, minute hand goes for 12 by 11 degree. Here relative gain is d degree plus 30x. the 30x plus d degree into 12 by 11 degree. For getting the exact degree goes by minute hand, and to find times in minute, 6 degree equal to 1 minute, so in 1 degree 1 by 6 minute. Okay, here total degree this 30x plus d degree into 12 by 11, so to get in times divided by 6. Okay, so this gives in minute times because this time is given by minute hand. This is equal to 30x by 6 is equal to 5x plus d degree by 6 into 12 by 11. Okay, this is okay. I think you have got better understanding regarding this. Now let us make a table from this formula. Hour end is between x and x plus 1 clock when coincident when makes right angle. Okay, and when opposite. कोइंसिडेंस मतलब d इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री, राइट एंगल्स मतलब मीन्स d इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, and opposite means d equal to 180 degree. So put this value in this formula. 5 equal to 5 into 0 0 plus 5 into x x d 0 0 by 6 0 into 12 by 11. This is minute, in minute this comes in minute because we divided by 6, so this gives in minute time. Use d by 60, 90 by 6 equal to 15. Overall comes is 5x plus 15 into 12 by 11, and 5x plus 180 by 6 plus 30 into 12 by 11. Here this is plus minus, this formula comes plus and minus both because d degrees have see here, and also it is possible in this direction. Let us give an example regarding this. Question: given hour end and each between 2 and 3 and d is equal to 40 degree angles made subtended by relative angle. So time is what? Time is equal to what? So from formula 5 into x smallest 5 into 2 plus d by 6 40 by 6 into 12 by 11, 100 by 6 into 12 by 11, 200 by 11. So time would be 2 hour 11 minute, or 5 into 2 minus 40 by 6 into 12 by 11, 20 by 6 into 12 by 11, 40 by 11, means time would be 2 hours 3 minutes. So both answers are correct. We can also see if only d is equal to 40 degrees given and nothing else given regarding 40 degree angles. This is 40 degree and this is 40 degree. Okay, so I think you got understand. Here when opposite d is equal to 180 degree given, then if x greater than 6 and if x less than 6, use minus signs Huge plus signs. You can also see from here, if huge minus signs, x greater than 6, 5 into, let us take 7, 5 into 7 35 plus 30 60 goes 35 plus 30 65 greater than 60, so plus would not possible. If you take minus 5 into 7 35 minus 35 greater than 0 and between and less than 60. Okay, in similarly for plus signs, 5 into 5 25 plus 30 55. If you take 5 into 5 25 minus 30 minus 5, not possible. Time will not in comes in negative signs. Okay, so I think you got better understand. Now in next session I am giving you some more techniques regarding this, so please subscribe my channels and come in next video to watch. Thank you.